Really happy to be here in Albuquerque. It's a great city, great group of contractors. We're doing estimating training. It's a 2-day training seminar that we're working on. Yesterday was day 1, today we're in day 2. So the contractors are here to learn all the aspects of hard skills of estimating and also the soft skills of estimating, which on the soft skills side, we're learning how to do proposals, sell work, RFIs, change orders, submittal process, all the good things that come along with doing our job as estimators. I'm John Kenney with Cotney Consulting Group, and we're here today coming to you live from an estimating training 2-day seminar that we're doing. And what we're doing in the 2-day seminar is teaching skills and processes to our estimators in the commercial roofing industry. So over these 2 days, we're covering hard skills of estimating, and we're also covering soft skills of estimating. Estimators to succeed in the industry need to master both of these skills, and we do a lot of hands-on examples, and we also do a lot of hands-on little work exercises as we go through these 2 days. So by the end of the 2 days, the goal is that they come out with learning multiple tips and building a stronger foundation to make them more successful in the industry.
Perfect. So we're in day 2 of the risk and management. So tell me a little bit of what you're hoping to learn and improve during this session.
So for this particular session, I'm really hoping to get a little bit more out of how to deliver my quotes, what type of communication it's going to take to really be effective on it, and just some general tips to help me be a little bit better than I was.
I work for Rio Grande Roofing Reps. I'm an independent manufacturers rep here locally in New Mexico. I'm hoping to learn more about the estimating process, just how important it is to put together an entire submittal for organization purposes and overall production.
So I do outside sales for ABC Supply. My main takeaway from this is to get a different perspective from the contractor side to see how the estimating on their part goes to better help me service them when they're going through this process. Right? So any trainings, any guidance you can get, never think you know it all. I think when you do, you're stagnant. So there's always something more to learn.
I think one of the takeaways, especially from yesterday, is learning about the processes and the applications of estimating. So one thing I know, I'm pretty sure from the feedback we got from yesterday's training, was that they took away that it's a very systematic approach to putting an estimate together. And once you get onto that systematic approach, it actually makes your job easier and more efficient. And that's the key. With efficiency comes less errors, less mistakes, and you're able to get more work out and close on more jobs.